mistakenly turned on the quiet mode but wondering how to turn it off? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Let's get started. First, let's discuss about what quiet mode does. It basically doesn't notify you about any texts, calls, or likes while it's on. It turns on and off itself as the time set in the settings. Now to turn it off, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to Notifications. At the top under Push Notification, you can see Pause All is turned on. Tap on Quiet Mode below it. Here, you can change the time by simply tapping on the time at the right. Then select the time. Then simply tap on OK. To turn the quiet mode off, simply tap on this icon. Then tap on Turn Off Quiet Mode to confirm. As you can see, quiet mode is turned off. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.